Introducing the PRINT-iT workflow and print manager from Gateway 3D. I'm going to take you on a quick tour of the system. And I guess the starting point of any tour is the workflow that happens day to day. So this is an example here of the workflow screen. Here we have a filter on template or even fulfillment house. So if you have multiple fulfillment houses, because this is cloud-based, you can have it set so people can only see one fulfillment house or multiple fulfillment house, or one machine or template or multiple templates. So it works for large or small companies. And in essence, this screen you can filter by machine, so an operator of a machine can come up to this screen and say, what work have I got to do today? Or that operator could look at other machines, or in the case where you have single or multi-use machines, we call them templates, so you can have different templates or jigs for different machines. So this screen is totally flexible and allows you to see whatever work you want to see within your business. So if I was running a particular machine, I would come up to that machine this morning, see that I've got 2 jobs in here, and I literally just click the download button and it downloads the artwork onto my screen, ready to print off. And it's kind of as simple as that. If we then break it down further, if I go down here and look at the menu on the left hand side, one of the options here I've got is batch templates. So what that does, when a print job comes in from PRINT-iT, from the internet, from any number of 1 million websites all over the world, they can come in from anywhere, you're then able to say if you want to print them 1 at a time, if you want to print them 2 up, 4 up, 6 up, 20 up, whatever you want. So whatever rules you put in here dictates which machine, if you like, it goes to on the previous screen. Hopefully that makes sense. If you have a more simple print operation, then we have the print manager screen, which if I just click on quickly there, shows me all the jobs as they come in from different sites and allows me just to, in this case very simply, tick them as completed, download them, print a dispatch label, etc. So hopefully that makes sense as a workflow process. If you're using the full workflow process, which we looked at earlier, we have the order manager, which just coordinates all the orders that come in from all the different websites. And then when an order comes in, we have display job, print label. So when you print a batch template, it prints a barcode label underneath. You scan that barcode label, and this is the screen that in essence you would scan it on. If you don't have a barcode scanner, you can just type in the job number here, and then that would display that job on the screen and print a label. So you could actually print a sticky label and attach it to the product you were going to print. What's useful about that, when you've printed your job, if you then go into dispatch job, which looks pretty much the same in terms of screen, and scan that, it will actually automatically mark the job as completed and print out all the dispatch paperwork that you needed. And obviously because this is a web-based system, all of that then links and updates the website. We also do have the option to link it to carrier systems. If you're printing things 2 or 3 up, we do have an area called unbatched jobs which you can check before things go into a print manager. So in a very whistle-stop tour, that explains how it all works from a print management point of view. The other thing people obviously are keen to look at is what else our systems can do. Well, you can create a point of sale login, so customers could create things in store. I suppose it's also worth clarifying at this point that this system is designed for sort of manufacturers of product in the promotional products and personalized products sector. So if it's personalized products, you may well want to give logins to a range of shops who then can personalize products and they go through to your fulfillment centers. Another popular thing that people want to do is obviously give your customers the ability to upload their own designer templates. Well, that's the create new template section. And the final bit that people are often interested in is to give your customers the ability to upload their own images to add to products. So they can do that in the image gallery section. So if you go to user management, and I'm not clicking on all the buttons now, not to overcomplicate things, but that allows you to set up a user, which could be a shop or a customer, and gives them the ability to do things like point of sale or create their own templates or upload their own image galleries. If you have a larger organization, it also enables you to create users who have their own fulfillment centers. So if we click on product management, which is another area of the system that people are often interested in looking at, that allows us to search all the products we've got on the system and in essence set up your own products for printing or add new products. And to do that, you simply go in, either obviously add a new one or edit an existing one. They're 2D or 3D products, and you basically have print areas, text areas, image areas, and if you click on each of these, it then allows you to add that to the product. Just to give you a simple idea, here's a product with 3 text areas on it. If I go into edit, it will then show me down the bottom, if I want, that that's the text area. This is a 3D one, so I've got all the textual elements of the 3D, but it allows me in essence to drag and drop where I want that text area to in. And for those of you familiar with our system and have seen other presentations, obviously you talk about whether you want the text area to be moved, whether you want it to move within the whole print area, etc. So we do different presentations on that. Really all I wanted to show you today was what we've got within the print management system. So just going back to our menu there, we've got user management, we've got product management, point of sale, create new templates, image galleries, and then the full print management system. So hopefully that gives you an overview of the power of the print management system and what it can be used for. Yeah, as mentioned previously, it's a tool designed for print managers, well, print management and print managers for either large or small companies. As you can see, we've got flexibility in the tool. Thanks for listening, and please don't hesitate to get in touch. info@gateway3d.com if we can give you any more information.